All right, so today we are going to be taking a look at the Sidekick Tools stock photos. So this is kind of a cool thing where you can take photos or use photos that you already have in your listings and create an AI model to basically wear your clothes. So I'm just in the Tools tab of Posh Sidekick here, Sidekick Tools. I'm going to go to Stock Photo. So as you can see, there are some paid credits and some free credits there. Free ones have the Poshmark watermark or Posh Sidekick watermark, and paid ones do not. So we're just going to do a paid one here. We're going to go to an active listing that already exists. And you're going to see that I choose this Boston Marathon jacket. So I wanted to show you this case where this does not work out very well. And the reason why is because it looks like this jacket, just the way the arms are and how everything's kind of outside of the regular zone of the photo. So, I'm putting in my AI prompt, athletic man wearing jacket, pushing the slider over to more realistic look. And when you hit next, you're going to see that it's creating a human model for this. Applying the garment to the model, as you can see there. It's going to create an image for us, but it's not going to work out very well. And again, I think this is because the photo is just, it's not really a good photo for it. See that? I didn't know what to do with it. I was like, there's this guy, he's wearing what might be a jacket. But I think this happens again, as I said, as a result of having photos that are zoomed in too far, where part of the photo itself, part of the item, like the sleeves there, is cropped out. So we're going to try this again. And I'll show you another example. We've got this one here of these pants. Now, these are some kind of faux leather looking pants here. Just putting in my prompt, woman wearing pants. I mean, hey, look, I'm not good at AI prompting. I have no idea. I haven't done this before. This was my first time kind of going through this. You can remove the background first and then, put a more realistic thing on the slider there. This covers the lower half of the body. You can select. So there it is. You've got the image that removes the background, and now it's creating that human model to wear these pants. And you'll be able to see in a moment here, it's applying this garment to the model. Now this one does work out a lot better, but as we'll see from the photos, those pants don't really quite look like the ones in the photo in my listing. It just doesn't quite look like they have that proper look. So I'm going to put in the prompt faux leather, and add that in and try it again. And it's going to give it a much more, you can just hit regenerate there. And as you'll see, it's not perfect or anything. I mean, you could play with this for a long time and make sure you get a really good one. Especially if you're using credits up, but this one you'll see does definitely come out a lot better. It looks a lot more like the pants that I'm selling. And finishing touches, there we go. So that definitely looks more like those pants. I could play more with because those pants are more of a cropped style, so I could put more prompts in to fix the style, but this gives you an idea of what you're going to get out of this. And so this is so you can use stock photos like this where you've got a model to actually just model the clothes that you're selling, and then you can go to next. You can save the photo, obviously. If you're using a paid one, it'll save and actually not have that watermark there. You can add this to your listing. You can add this as the cover photo to your listing, so the main photo, and choose from there what you want to do. So it's definitely a pretty cool tool, and yeah, I mean, I like it. It's definitely good for anybody who wants to have more options.